In this video, I'm going to reveal the 6 best passive income ideas for 2022 that don't require any money upfront. So if you're looking for ways to generate some passive income and you don't have any money, this is the right video for you. Make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one you should get started with today. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as an internet entrepreneur, I've successfully promoted everything from stand mixers to security cameras, web hosting, and even online courses. So if you want to learn different tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. All right, so I was doing a little bit of research for this video here. I typed in best passive income ideas and I stumbled across this Shopify 30 passive income ideas. So shout out to them. But what I wanted to do is I actually wanted to pull out some of the best ones that don't require any money up front. One of the biggest issues that some people have getting started is thinking about the money requirement when trying to make money online. But yes, there are different opportunities that you can jump in and start today without spending a dime. Let's go ahead and talk about the first one. The first one is actually with creating a course. Now, you might be thinking, hey, I don't have any knowledge, skills, or experience in anything, but believe it or not, as you can see here, it says there are over 185,000 online video courses with new editions published every single month. So if you've ever learned anything, you could turn around and create a course on it. In addition, if you are willing to learn about something, you can turn around and create a course on it. Spend some time thinking about what you do in your day-to-day life, what you do at work, and you can turn around and turn that into a course. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can sell these courses outside of Udemy. If you sell them outside of Udemy, you can actually command more prices, and you can use some of the ways that I'm going to mention later in this video to sell your courses and make it passive income. Now, one thing that I do want to make painfully clear is that passive income is kind of a myth. It's a buzzword that people are throwing out there, when in reality, in most instances, we're looking at semi-passive income. You are going to create a piece of content once, and you're going to be paid for it again and again and again. Passive income is something like maybe investing in stocks, if you need to have money up front for that, where you can just put in $1,000 and walk away for 20 years, and then hopefully you have some return on your investment. But when it comes to making money online, you are going to create content once. In the case of YouTube videos, you are going to create one piece of content and people are going to watch it all day, every day. So that's semi-passive income. But you could create a course on literally anything. We can type in something like Google Sheets. Do you spend time at work doing Google Sheets? You could turn that into a course and you could make money. Again, you're probably going to make a little bit more money selling it all outside of Udemy, but if you want to get started, this is a great place to start. So you can see here, there is tons of opportunities simply creating a course, and you can create a course in anything. You can actually sell the course if you wanted to through Facebook, and YouTube, of course, but this is a great way to get started. So number one is creating a course. Number two is actually starting a YouTube channel. There are so many opportunities out there on YouTube. Every niche is saturated, but there is opportunity in every single niche as long as you are persistent with your content and consistent with your effort. For example, if we're using Google Sheets, we can type in something like Google Sheets like this, and you're going to see that people are creating content about Google Sheets. And what you could do is you could create content about Google Sheets and then lead them back to the course. Now, if you're hosting the course over on Udemy, you're only going to make about $9.99. But if you sell the course yourself through your website, or maybe even you just collect the payment through PayPal and then you send them a link to a folder, you can command much more. But if we take a look at this, the second result here, this person only has 557 subscribers, 280,000 views. The one below it, 37,000 subscribers, 268 views. And you would just add a call to action saying, hey, if you want to learn more about Google Sheets, you want to learn everything there is to know about Google Sheets, click the link and it can go off to your course. But creating a course in Google Sheets and then creating a YouTube video or YouTube channel around Google Sheets could be a very powerful idea. And you can just upload maybe three or four videos per day to get started, and you can start making money. Now, the cool thing is with this is you're going to make money in a few different ways. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. So once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube is going to pay you for ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. And you can get paid with creating a course. So there's two ways that you can make passive or semi-passive income with just small pieces of content. So that's number 2. Number 3 is starting a Facebook group. Now, I have a Facebook group, and believe it or not, I actually don't do very much posting. What I have done, if we take a look at it, I use a software called Make to auto post for me. And because it's auto posting, if we go here, make money online with affiliate marketing, you can see that it's posting, I think every 6 hours, videos that are vertical. So I've created these videos in other platforms, and I've simply just imported them into a folder, and it's automatically uploading. And this is going to help me acquire new customers or new followers to this page, because Facebook will recommend my group to people that are interested in affiliate marketing and making money online. And then, as you can see, every few days or so, I can throw in a link to join my 7-day unemployed program. As you can see, I also have this automatically included in all of my posts as well. And when people click on it, it goes to a 7-day, $7 challenge. And this is done on autopilot. So people will click here and then they can go through the process of buying. So you can see how you can start stacking a few different passive income ideas. And this is all free. You can create as many Facebook groups as you want, all for free. And the only thing I'm using here is actually, I am using WordPress to do this. You don't have to get started with WordPress. You can do this all with like PayPal and sending out a Google Drive with the course included. You can start this 100% for free, but you can see that this is a relatively easy way to make semi-passive income. All of these posts are automated. As you can see, they're all automated with a software called Make. That's not actually me here doing this. So you can see it's actually really easy to get up and running. And you can do this with any product or service. The next is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that it works is, in yesterday's video, I actually showed you step-by-step how to get started with affiliate marketing. What you can do to get started today, in fact, is to take a look at your recent purchases. For example, if we go over to Amazon.com and you sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen here and click on Become an Affiliate. What you're going to do is, once you are accepted into the affiliate program, go up to Orders and Returns and take a look at your most recent orders. Now think about, these are my wife's orders, by the way. Think about the questions that you had to ask in order to get to these orders. So you're going to reverse engineer or work backwards, and you're going to create the content, because you are simply going to help people solve a problem. And that's what affiliate marketing is. You are finding problems and you are solving them. For example, if we look at these dryer vents here, I had some birds break open the covering of it. And so I had to go out and find a solution for that. And people are creating content to help out with that solution. And just to show you, we could say something like dryer vent cover. Come on, we could say dryer vent cover, or dryer vent cleaning. That's another one. So dryer vent cover replacement. If we click on this, you can see the top result, 228,000 views. The one below it, 78,000 views. The one below it, 1.4 thousand views. So people are asking questions about dryer vent covers or replacements or things of that nature. You just want to make sure that you're going out and finding the questions that people are asking. Look at this one right here, 120,000 views, only 2.85 thousand subscribers. So this is a teeny tiny micro channel, and they've actually found a solution. So what you want to do is put your affiliate link to these dryer covers in the description of your content, whether it's a YouTube video, a blog post, TikTok, whatever it is, and people will buy. But starting affiliate marketing can be incredibly powerful because you're just linking a problem to a solution. The next is selling a digital product. Now, a digital product can be anything from an ebook, it can be a blueprint, a guide, a checklist, it can be a planner, it can be anything as long as it helps solve a problem. Now, what we can do is we can jump over to a website like Etsy, and we can, for example, we can look at digital planners. Digital planners. Now, what I did is I went and found that people were searching for digital planners. I then took those ideas, worked with someone over on Fiverr. You can create these yourself, of course. I worked with someone over on Fiverr to create these digital planners for me, and I was actually selling them on Facebook to parents of small children. And one of the cool things with Facebook and Facebook ads is you can target parents of 3 to 6 year olds. And believe it or not, people were buying them. I was actually selling them for twice the amount that you see here, but it was actually helping solve a problem, and I was making money. But you can see there are digital planners for all sorts of stuff, for workouts, for cleaning. Let's type in chore. I think it's printable chore planner, I think is what I found. Chore planner. You can see printable chore planner for kids, digital, inserts, templates. There's all sorts of stuff. And what you can do is you can send, you can go promote this on YouTube. You can promote this on a Facebook group or on Instagram if you want to. You just go out and create the digital product based on what people need, and you can make money that way. And you can also sell these for a little bit more than what you see over here on Etsy. And the final one that you could start today is actually a coaching program. Now, the cool thing with the coaching program is, much like a course, is you have knowledge and expertise in an area and you can provide that. Now, a coaching program is a little bit different than a course in that you are going to meet either one-on-one or with a group of people to help solve a problem. For example, if you want to help parents get organized, you can launch a coaching program to teach 7 tips to help parents get organized in 1 week or in 6 weeks, whatever it may be. And then you simply walk them through the process of getting organized, different tips, tricks, and tactics that you've picked up along the way. Now, you don't have to be a master organizer. You don't have to have a degree in organizational management or organizing management. You just need to be a few steps ahead and have tips, tricks, and tactics that you can share. And once you create the course, you create the coaching program, people will be able, willing, and ready to spend money working with me. And you'll be surprised the amount of money people are willing to spend to work with you because you have that knowledge and expertise. So just to run through them real quick, we have creating an online course, we have starting a YouTube channel, starting a Facebook group, affiliate marketing, selling a digital product, and selling a coaching program. Now that you know 6 ways to earn passive or semi-passive income in 2022, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.